screen of the application. This is a online music player and an offline music player. You can pretty much search for any music at all using this application here. As you can see here, you do get some recommendations as what you can choose from this section here. Or you can pretty much scroll down and see what's trending on the application or what's trending around the world. So as you can see here, you have some other options here which you can choose from. As you can see, if I scroll down, I see some others as well. So let's say you have something in your mind, you want to pretty much go in the search bar at the top here and type for what you want. Let's say a TikTok. Let's say this one here. I'm just going to select something random. As you can see, a lot of music as it relates to TikTok. Option here at the top there, and as you can see, I'll just scroll for what I want. They do offer a video option as well. You will be seeing the video as along with the song. So pretty much, let's say for example, down here with the Taylor Swift music, you'll be able to see the video and along pretty much like YouTube, I would say. So nothing much for that. You can pretty much search for what you want at the top. Any music at all, you pretty much find on this application here. So down here, you may see a search icon. This is pretty much where you go to search. As you can see here, it will pretty much show you your search history and so forth. So nothing much for that. So over here, you may see some other options. In the library section here, you have the offline songs option. This is pretty much where you're going to go to the download songs option. So if you don't have an internet connection, to make sure you download the music so you can listen them offline. So at the top here, you're going to see the music that you like. You can pretty much add a like. We'll show that later on in the video. Down here where it says the local music, this option will pretty much show all the music that is on your device. As you can see here, these are all the music that are on my device. And you can pretty much select anyone you want. To add a like or to like a music, all you have to do is tap on this art icon there, and we'll pretty much add in your liked songs option. So at the top here, you set this option here. You do get time as it relates to you listening to these songs. As you can see, about 12 hours remaining listening time. To increase that, you will need to watch the ad. So if I tap on reward here, as you can see here, you can watch a video or an ad to pretty much increase my listening time. So you're gonna need listening time, pretty much use the application as it relates to the online version. So let's say you have found the music that you want to listen to, and let's say for example, this is the music. So as you can see down here, I have a lot of options. Down here you may see a circle icon with a little arrow in the middle. That is pretty much the download icon there. You can download the song and listen it later on. If you don't have an internet connection, you can listen it as well. So here you have the three dots over here as well. You can see the song option, as you can see there. You can also give the song a like if you want to add it to your favorite. Nothing much for that. You have the play button here. Down here you have the shuffle option, which you can promote if you want the song to shuffle within the list. That is pretty much all the songs that you have selected. So only thing you'll be encountering with this application is ads, and to remove the ads off this application, you have to go in the library section here and select the VIP option here, where you can see your subscription. As you can see here, your subscription is $9 or $10 is your subscription price, your premium subscription price, to remove ads completely off this application here. So very, very simple and decent application you can use, and I would recommend it, not gonna lie. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. We'll see you guys in the next tutorial.